Dipti Patil now.
Yes, good morning. So I would take up your point, sir, that yes, the whatever is the research carried out should be take up to TRL level 7 or 8. But what I can say is students, if I'm talking about UG students, they don't think in that manner that I am going to convert the product and everything, but they always think innovatively. They have certain innovative ideas with their in their minds. So and they are like free birds. So as George sir said that yes, there should be a mathematical modeling and everything. Undergraduate student doesn't think in that way. They only think what is the problem and how I can provide an innovative solution to it. So a proper mentorship is needed for these students and mainly in this space exploration area. And this space exploration area is not like a specific branch, but it is an interdisciplinary area where every engineer can collaborate and provide their solution. So IN-SPACe is really a very good initiative of Government of India where it is opening up a gate for the mainly for the private institution, because yes, government institutions are getting exposure and getting various opportunity, but for the private institution, students are really there are good research is also carried out in private institutions, and this is like an interface which has been given to these students to collaborate with the industry. Yes, students will get a lot of internship opportunities. They will get on-site exploration through this initiative. So yes, I appreciate that. And one more thing, one more good initiative IN-SPACe has taken about the CanSat India competition. That is like designing a can-size satellite, and it is giving so many insights to students what are there and how they can design that particular solution and provide a cost-effective solution. And here they have to design that solution or provide that solution in collaboration with industry, and they are searching for that. They are getting the things explored. And there is a condition that faculty should not give any inputs, technical inputs to them, so that they are getting their own way, they are finding the solution in their own way. So this type of competition should be held. There can be hackathons for the students, there can be, now there is satellite designing contest. So such kind of different like antenna design or the problem statements which are there, which can be floated by the industry. On that basis we can conduct the hackathons, and students will get opportunity to explore their talent and their innovations and intellectuals to provide the solution. So I can say that yes, young generation has got really innovative minds. Talking about the startups, if we have observed that most of the UG students only come up with certain inventions and they turn them into startups. So here I suggest that there should be certain kind of like IPR policy for students, because yes, turning the invention into product is important, but reserving the rights of the intellectual is also important. So there should be certain ecosystem to be developed, and patent to product pathway has to be decided with where IN-SPACe can take initiative. So the inventions and the inventors' efforts should not go like unnoticed, or they should get credits of them. So that is my view. Also, I would like to say that yes, under ASI, they are conducting various workshops, conferences, and if we can have these ASI activities, that is a professional body, if we can have student chapters across the academic institution, we can carry out various workshops and training for students. So we can bring it under a single umbrella where student can connect. So now here the conference or workshop is happening in Bangalore, and maybe Pune people are maybe also interested, or some Delhi students are also interested to have this type of workshops and interactions with the stalwarts in the space arena. So, if such kind of activities or student chapters are opened across the academic institution, it will give a forum to students to put forth their ideas and exchange their thoughts. So, that is also one of the suggestions I would like to give. Yes, there are many things. I would like to put forth certain points on behalf of faculty. Because students are there, mentors, faculty are also carrying a very good research, but funding lacks, so there should be an ecosystem to be developed. The researchers who are giving, as sir said, that yes, there is a trust deficit. So if you put certain trust on the researchers, faculty researchers, and the faculty are the one who can drive the students in a correct direction. So that model, with the help of industry mentor, if we can collaborate, then it will definitely come up with the innovative and good product which will be helpful to this space arena. So thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Taking a little bit comment on that. So the question is, when you talk about trust deficit, again, stated that. So idea is, you as a sponsor of the project, I mean, obviously, vitamin M is everything nowadays, right? Without vitamin M, nothing goes. Money is required. I mean, and then this small scale money doesn't help anymore if you really talk about hardware demonstration, field demonstration, and things like that. So that requires a little bit of enhanced funding, basically. So you can think about that. And also remember that nowadays this involvement is so easy. In other words, mandate is to open up and all that. In-SPACe ISRO is also opening up. When you open up, even conferences, even review meetings, that should happen in hybrid mode. And if it is hybrid mode, physically people don't have to come. They can actually, those people want to come, but it is opening up for everything basically. It's in a very large scale participation can happen. In fact, last couple of launch vehicle reviews, including the one coming up on very quickly, it is actually happening in virtual mode, even though there is no COVID. So we can see some 50 people participating all over the place. Right? So that is the way to go forward in my view. People, a small number of invited people can be physically there, but it is also opening up for hybrid mode of participation. So the large message will go to a large extent basically. Now coming to other part of it, what you talked about,